I want to show you one of the cool, frequently overlooked features built into Dillon's rifle sizing dies. It's called the stuck case remover. If you get a case with insufficient lube stuck inside your rifle die, it really is not the end of the world. To remove your stuck case from the die, remove this clip, loosen this nut, screw the nut all the way to the top, and then simply push the case out of the die by screwing the decapping system all the way in. With a properly stuck case, it will be pushed out by the very sturdy decapping assembly and your die can be saved. It's often easiest to do this with the die removed, where you've got better access to everything. Dillon's rifle caliber sizing dies all have the stuck case removal feature. If you do get a case stuck, it's easy to get going again, giving you more time to shoot.